Hey cruisers, I'm Sherry with CruiseTipsTV.com and I am coming to you from San Diego, California today. It is not even 8 o'clock in the morning and we just got an email with some very big cruise news that we wanted to share, and we thought, hey, we've got a good internet connection today. We can actually make a video and do an upload from land. So here we are in San Diego, California on board the Sapphire Princess to let you all know that effective tomorrow, October 4th, 2022, Norwegian Cruise Line is dropping all of their COVID protocols. They are dropping their testing, vaccine, and masking protocols effective immediately. I mean, that's pretty much all she wrote, folks. We do have a news article on this, but it's not that complicated. There are some destination exceptions that we'll obviously link to for you so you can check that out. One of them being Australia. It's very interesting to me too that Canada has dropped all of their requirements. That was big news in the last week. Very exciting news that if you are unvaccinated and you want to go to Alaska next season, you're probably going to be able to do that. So really exciting stuff. All right, that was the big news release. Very excited to hear if you guys are going to be going on Norwegian anytime soon. Did this change your mind about booking a Norwegian cruise? Now let me give you a little update on us. Why are we in San Diego, California? This was not part of the plan, was it? No, indeed it was not. So a few days ago, if you're following us over on Instagram, you may have heard that a tropical storm / hurricane is approaching Mexico, mainland Mexico, near Puerto Vallarta. Our next port stop was due to be Puerto Vallarta a few days ago, and Princess made the decision, a good decision, a safe decision, to cancel that port. And as a result, they sent us to San Diego. How exotic. I was born and raised here, so we're not exactly going to get off the ship today and do anything. We're just going to get some work done. Junior's got some school to catch up on. We're going to film some episodes for you guys and just enjoy a nice solid land-based internet connection. So that's what's going on with us. Make sure that you are staying tuned here on YouTube because it's October and you guys know what that means. More announcements on what's going to be happening in October coming very, very soon. We want to leave you with just a quick look at the gorgeous USS Midway Museum, which is next to me. It's an aircraft carrier museum, but I want to just say goodbye, guys. Until next time, friends, we'll see you on the high seas. Make sure you're subscribed. More is coming.